Well, hello everyone. I just received my ZZP Performance cold air intake. This is a fender well system, and this should be a lot better than the stock restrictive airbox, considering it has like 290-degree turns, you know. And it'll look a lot better too. But the best thing is probably the sound. That's all I'm waiting to achieve here. It's just the sound difference. I really want to hear that supercharger scream. This is a bone stock Grand Prix 1998. I picked it up for $1,200, and I mean, it passed smog, no check engine lights. It does have high mileage, but I mean, $1,200, and this car just runs great. I've always wanted one of these, and I don't think it could have gotten a better deal than this car. So I'm gonna install it and check the sound difference and probably do another 0 to 100 test. So let's see. Alright, well, it's all done. I think it came out really good. It was actually a little bit of a hassle trying to make everything fit. I had to remove a brace from the fender, and yeah, it just took a while. But overall, I think it looks really good. I really like the ZZP logo right there. It's a nice touch. I still have to figure out the computer because I don't like how it sits just there exposed. So I'm probably gonna order some heat wrap and make it look all nice and tight, but that's for another day. For now, let's hear the difference. Let's see what that sounds like.